Hey everyone, so today I'm going to talk about some tips and tricks for booking cheap flights. Tip number 1 is to book through an incognito window. Your searches are tracked, and if you search again for your destination, the prices will rise. The same goes for hotel. Always, if you're booking anything, book through an incognito window. So just click on your internet browser and select New Incognito Window. Tip number 2 is to use the search engine Skyscanner and Momondo. So head over to skyscanner.com, go to the To section and click Everywhere. And you can also put the cheapest month for the departure and the return if you are more flexible with your dates. Next is momondo.com. The same option to type in or click anywhere. And you can also put any time for the dates, except this shows you a map of all of the rates. Tip number 3 is to use Secret Flying website. It displays airfares, which just means that the airline employee incorrectly or accidentally posted a lower than average fare for your destination. So head over to secretflying.com. This will show you all of the error fares. And say we want to go to Iceland, we just go down and view all of the dates available, and if we click one, it'll just take us to the website where it's available. Tip number 4 is to book on a Tuesday midnight or early in the week. Monday through Wednesday midnight is usually the cheapest rate. Tip number 5 is to book at least a month or a month and a half before your destination. That's usually the cheapest. I have booked flights the day before or the day of, both domestic and internationally, and I don't recommend it, but if you're feeling spontaneous, then why not? Is to book hostels. It's usually cheaper. It's like $5 to $20, and they usually have tours, and you meet a lot of cool people from around the world. If you want to book a hotel, I usually book through Hotwire Hot Deals or Priceline Express Deals. This does not show you the hotel because it's cheaper, but you can generally guess which hotel it is based on the amenities, the ratings, and the location. So let's start with hotwire.com. And let's go to Cabo. So I usually set the ratings to 4 or 5 stars and the hot rate hotels. And you can see a map of the locations of the hotels, and usually when it says the last person got Casa, you're probably going to get Casa, and these are the 4 guaranteed hotels, so you're for sure going to get a 4.5 star hotel. Now into Priceline.com. We'll also go to Cabo for comparison reasons. And once that loads, we're going to head on over to Express Deals. And I usually set it to the lowest price. And it also will show you a map of the location of the hotel. And it says the last person got it for $203. Tip number 7 is to make sure that you sign up for each airline's free rewards program. It's basically just a flyer number that you enter in when you book a flight. So if you fly Delta a lot, or even one time sign up for the rewards program, and you can accrue miles that way and then book free flights with your miles later on. I've done this with American Airlines. I got a free flight to, I think it was Vegas. Number 8 is to check the credit cards that you own. You may be able to access airport lounges for free. The lounges usually have some food and like a quiet place to take a nap or just relax. So tip number 9 is to book through the website Skiplagged. It basically books you a flight to a destination farther than your destination, but your target destination is a stop on the route. So basically you would get off earlier. You would get off during the stop as opposed to taking the whole flight there. And sometimes that's cheaper than just booking a direct flight to your destination. So go onto skiplagged.com. We're going to just type in a random date. And let's go to Washington. So as you can see, the flight will go all the way to Florida, but we would get off in Washington if that was our target destination. And then same with the return, it goes all the way to San Diego, but you would get off in LA and just not take the whole entire flight. Sometimes it's cheaper that way than a direct flight, but not always. So those are my tips and tricks for booking cheap flights and hotels, and thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Use secrets. Tip number 3 is to use secret flying. Tip number 8.